Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we are going to give you the update on the portfolio. We're going to show you the dividends for the month of March 2022. We're going to go through the dividend tracker, the tracking sheet for our dividends thus far since starting this portfolio. We're just going to go through it all. And so if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So before we get into any of that, let's just go through the portfolio here. At the end of the week, the portfolio closed out at $11,523.20, down $1.38 on the day, down 0.01%. For the 1 week, we're down $37.48, down 0.32%. For the 1 month, we're up $6.70, up 0.06%. A very poor performing month, but it's totally fine. 3 months, we're up $204.48, up 1.81%. For the 1 year, we're up $1,573.22, up 15.81%. And for the all, we're up $2,193.20, up 23.51%. So as we always do every Friday, we do make a purchase, so I'll give you an update on here. So the positions we bought today, or Friday when you're watching this video on Saturday, is Cisco Systems Inc. Closing out at $55.66 US, down 10 cents on the day, down 0.18%. We own 13 shares now. Total position value of $723.58. Average price of getting in is $55.83, and it holds about 8% of the portfolio. We want to get that to 9 or 10 while we're increasing other positions. However, today's return, we're down 72 cents, down 0.1%. Total return since owning this position is down $2.15, down 0.3%. So the purchase today here, as we go down, is here. We purchased 2 shares at the cost of $55.47 roughly. Total cost of $110.94 USD, exchange rate of 1.2681%, and total Canadian cost was $140.68. So if you're probably wondering how much the fee was to do this, they actually show you, I think it was about $1.20 or $1.60 in the exchange rate. Of course, I don't see justification right now in purchasing the premium membership with Wealthsimple Trade to waive those fees, as I think it's like $10 a month. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm not buying it frequent enough to make it worth that $10. And so that is that. So Cisco Systems Inc. is one of the positions we purchased. And as we do as well, starting in 2022, every time we purchase a position, we always increase the position in VFV by fractional shares of $25. Today, the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, which is VFE, closed out at $100.90 Canadian, up 40 cents on the day, up 0.4%. We now have 3.25 of shares. Total position value of $328.03. Average price of getting in is $99.96, and it holds about 2.85% of the portfolio. Today's return is not actually that, but our total return since owning the position is $3.05, up 0.94%. And you can go into here and check out that we purchased $25 of fractional shares, getting us 0.2482 of a share. And so that is the portfolio. Those are the positions we purchased. And now we will head over to trackyourdividends.com to update the dividend tracker here. So as you can see here, without the updated positions, the portfolio is closing out at $11,303. Dividend yield is 3.45% if you're to build this portfolio as it stands without the updated positions. Yield on cost for us is 4.3% with an annual income of $390. And so what we'll do is we'll close that ad, go to the default portfolio. We're going to change a few things here. Edit to count. We're going to change it to USD, update that portfolio because it is a US position. And we'll go ahead and enter that, the name of the company, and we purchased 2 shares at the cost basis of $55.4685 of some pennies. and we'll go ahead and add that holding, and that is added, and we will take some action, not action. We will edit the account, change it back to Canadian, update the portfolio, and go back to the summary, add a holding, and we'll add VFV.TO in here, and we bought numbers of shares here. Let me pull it up here on my phone. We purchased 0.2482 of a share at a cost basis of 100, not 11, 171. Go ahead and add that holding, and boom. So portfolio now is $11,467. We're up $2,257. Dividend yield today with the updated positions, if you're to build this whole portfolio fresh, you're getting a 3.44% yield on your investments. And then our yield on cost with the strategy of dollar cost averaging is 4.28%. Annual income is up to $394. As you can see here, we'll go down. VFV, we are going to get $3.56 for the year, broken up into quarters, of course. And our yield is 1.1% with dollar cost averaging. We have our Cisco Systems Inc. Same thing, $24.69 for the year, obviously divided into quarters. Our yield on cost is actually 3.4%, which is not bad. So that is trackyourdividends.com. And then we will check out ShareSite to give you the whole performance of the portfolio here. So as you can see here, the portfolio with everything updated already, which I did ahead of time in this calendar year, capital gains of $103.39, 0.91% increase, dividends of $80.90, up 0.71%. Currency gain with the foreign exchange is $23.56 down in the hole. That's down 0.21%, which gives us a total performance of 1.41%, which is not bad considering the market is still where it's at. And so that is the portfolio. So now let's talk about dividends. Okay, so we'll head back to Wealthsimple here, and we'll talk about dividends which we received for the month of March 2022. So we'll head over into the activities here, and we'll filter things down into the tax-free savings account, into dividends, and done. And the first dividend we received was from Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC. We received this dividend on March 21st, 2022, and we received $12.54, a whopping double-digit number in the dollar figures. And so that's very exciting. And the next position that we received a dividend from was on March 24th, 2022, which is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM. We received $5.11 from them, and these are the only two dividends we received for the month of March 2022, which gives us a total amount of dividends for the month of March at $17.65. Now, it's not a big amount, but it is still an amount, and it's better than nothing. And so as we head back, I will pop over the spreadsheet that we have tracking every single month the amount of dividends that we receive right on the screen, and here it is. Boom. So as you can see here in 2022, so far we've received, with the amount that we received from March 2022, is $73.03. In March, we received $17.65. And last March in 2021, we received $4.76. Now, year-over-year growth from March 2021 to March 2022, we have a year-over-year growth. If we look at this at a percentage base, we received an increase of 270%. Now, it's not significant when you look at just the dollars, but when you look at the percentage, it is quite large. And if those numbers presented itself in the financials of growth for companies, you would be ecstatic that they did a 270% year-over-year growth in the company. Of course, maybe that might be early growth, but even in late stage companies or even more mature companies, you would be excited about that, and you'd probably consider buying that stock for the growth. Now, year-over-year growth when it comes to total amount of dividends received this year, we are about 64% behind what we received last year. But of course, we are only 3 months in 2022, and we still have about 9 more months to absolutely demolish that number and see some growth. Now this year will be a bit more of an accurate number when it comes to growth, because in 2020 we only invested for about 4 months and we only received dividends for about 3 months. But as you can see in this, from 2021 to 2022, when you compare the months, you are seeing huge amounts of growth and continued growth in dividends, nothing shrinking, nothing being below the number from the previous year, which is fantastic. So net deposits this year, we've put in $1,677.31. And that is thanks also to you guys who are using the referral code, which is down below. And so thank you for assisting in the growth of this portfolio. Total invested since starting this whole portfolio is $9,355 even. And the market value today sits at $11,523.20, which you see on the screen anyways. There it is. And so that is the portfolio, guys. That is the amount of dividends that we received for March 2022. And that's pretty much it. So a bit longer video, but again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for leaving a like, subscribing, and I hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.